Rockin N River Ranch is an exceptional 81-acre waterfront property just 15 minutes from downtown Durango, Colorado, combining over 4,000 feet of Gold Medal designated Animas River frontage with 7 engineered ponds, extensive water rights, and diverse recreational opportunities. The ranch offers a rare blend of fishing, waterfowl hunting, wildlife habitat, and future development potential. Located along County Road 213 with year-round access, the ranch encompasses land on both sides of the road, providing multiple options for recreation, home sites, or future development. Existing roads, 2 prepared building pads, 4 permitted entrances, and several designated building envelopes allow for flexibility in designing a primary residence, family compound, or other residential projects. The property's 7 engineered and fully permitted ponds range from approximately 8 to 20 feet deep. Designed with gravel bottoms and supported by valuable surface mineral and water rights, they have functioned as outstanding fishing ponds in the past, while also attracting large numbers of ducks and geese throughout the season. More than 4,000 feet of the Animas River forms the centerpiece of the ranch. This stretch of Gold Medal water has benefited from restoration work completed by the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers, creating deep pools and quality aquatic habitat for trout. Anglers can pursue healthy populations of rainbow and brown trout in one of Colorado's premier fisheries. The property's boundary with Ute tribal lands also enhances privacy and contributes to frequent wildlife activity, including elk and mule deer moving through the area. A riverside gazebo overlooks the Animas River and provides an ideal gathering place for family and guests. Complete with a built-in barbecue and picnic area, it offers a comfortable setting for relaxing after a day of fishing or hunting. The ranch is bordered by mature cottonwood trees that provide shade, seasonal color, and excellent wildlife habitat. Water is one of the ranch's most valuable assets. The property includes 3 cubic feet per second of water rights for irrigation and recreational uses, along with adjudicated rights from the Animas River. These water resources support the property's recreational value while representing an increasingly important long-term asset. With utilities available, existing infrastructure already in place, and a location just minutes from Durango's restaurants, shopping, and services, the Rockin N River Ranch offers a unique combination of convenience and outdoor recreation that is difficult to duplicate. For your own private showing, please contact Mark Van Seidner or Christina Van Seidner.